Well, this morning I'm joined by an old friend of mine, Jeremy Vincent, who's the area sales manager for Vanmac. And it's been quite a busy time for the company, Jeremy, hasn't it? You've had some fairly big news to announce.
Yeah, no, it's been good. We're always busy, but yeah, March this year we took on the importership for Progressive Groundscare equipment. So the whole range of Progressive equipment for golf, sports facilities, local authorities. So very exciting news for us.
Uh-huh. And how well does Progressive Mowers fit into the Vanmac portfolio?
Yeah, well, with Progressive mowers, we've always done them, or for the last 4 years, we've done them in the UK for turf production, so turf farms, which tends to be the larger end of the range. So anything over 15 foot. Vanmac as a company do that for the whole of Europe as well for turf production. So it just seemed a natural step for us to move into the grounds care side of it as well. So now we full range machines, ranging right from the smaller 3-point linkage machines right up to the large 30-foot machines that they tend to use on turf production. So it fits in really well with what we're doing.
Mm-hmm. Now, I know they're a Canadian company, but can you tell me just a little bit more about Progressive Mowers and why your customers and potential customers might be quite excited about them?
Yeah, so Progressive Mowers, I think they've been going since about 1984. The guy or the family who owned the business, Luke Vanmac, he started the company. I think he was repairing other people's mowers and thought he could make a better one, as a lot of these companies always start that way, and started making the Progressive mowers. And it's just grown from there. I think most of the turf production farms in the UK probably have a TD65 or TD90. It's sort of been the main go-to mower for a lot of years, and those models, although changed and modified over the years, are still in our product range. So yeah, the Seaforth in Ontario in Canada. Nice production facility there, all the latest production methods and everything like that, and yeah, nice people to deal with as well, which is always nice.
Who do you think your customers will be for Progressive Mowers?
I think one of the main machines they do is the ProFlex 120, which is probably the best undulating mower on the market. It's 5 individual pods, so it's like having 5 hater mowers in a row if you like, but because of the way it's designed, that gives ultimate contour following. We're going to be doing a new machine in the UK called the TDRX, which has never been seen in the UK before, which is more your traditional tri-deck roller mower, but designed for undulations as well. So potentially a huge part of our market with golf. I think school facilities, sports fields, that type of thing is another market we're going to see growth in.
Mm-hmm. Now, Vanmac, can you just, for those who are perhaps not overly familiar, can you just tell us a little bit more about the product range that Vanmac deals with, and a little bit more about the company generally as well?
Yeah, so we have Vanmac BV, which is the parent and holding company. Vanmac BV is a Dutch company. It's owned by 2 guys, my immediate boss, Peter van Mispelaar, and Leo van Lowen, who is one of the sons of the original developers of the Trilo product. We're in the UK, we're Vanmac Limited, which is a sister company to Vanmac BV. So Vanmac, we sell a whole range of equipment, but what we're probably most known for is the Trilo product. So Trilo is the product that Vanmac manufacture. So yeah, which we've been doing for well over 40 years now. In addition to that, we do a lot with turf production. So we also have, obviously, as we spoke about earlier, Progressive for turf production. We also have some real big name manufacturers that we import. So we have Brouwer Kesmac, which are doing the big harvesters, gang rollers, scarifiers, turf rollers, a whole complete range for turf production, and also Groundscare. We do Magnum big roll harvesters. So these are harvesters which are lifting the turf, they're laying on sports pitches and big projects. Over in Europe, we do Roasteron. Obviously, we do all the spare parts, blades, all that type of stuff as well. So it's quite an extensive range of products we do. In the UK, we're Trilo, Progressive, Magnum, Brower Kesmac, and Eco Clipper.
Mm-hmm. We all know what we've been through over the last 15 months or so, and no doubt you guys have been in a similar position, but hopefully you're beginning to see light at the end of the tunnel. We're coming out of this now. What is your thoughts on the matter, where we're placed at the moment, and what you can look forward to going over the next couple of months or so?
Yeah, it's been a tricky 18 months. I don't think I've ever spent so much time at home. Anyone doing the job that we do, we like to get out and about, see different people, and see the country. We've had an incredible start to the year. It's been really busy. We've got a nice full order book, even though we're only 6 months into the year. I think the Progressive range we're incredibly excited about. We've got we're signing up dealers already for that. So we've got a couple of dealers. We've got Sharrock's covering sort of across the Midlands and into Lancashire. We've got Tomlinson's Groundscare, who's going to be looking after East Anglia for us, and all the time looking for more dealers as well. It's great to be able to see people again, get on golf courses, enjoy the weather now that it has become sunny eventually. And yeah, I think myself and James, we've got a busy second half to the year. There's no doubt about that. So we're very excited about it. Just keep moving forward. Another thing we're doing at the moment as well, we've sort of traditionally been known as Trilo in the UK, whereas we're actually Vanmac Limited. So there's going to be a little bit of a push over the next few months to have people recognise us under our true name, which is obviously Vanmac Limited. So when we're at Soltex, it's going to be different livery to what people would normally see, but we're the same company.
Well, I look forward to seeing you in the flesh and not over the screen.
Yeah, definitely.
Soltex, if not before. But thanks very much for a little bit of your time, Jeremy, and good to see you. And good luck going forward. Thank you very much.
Lovely. Thanks for your time too. Take care.